Hi there and welcome to the first lecture of the module number 5. Now in this lecture I will be showing you how you can download unlimited YouTube videos for absolutely free, how you can download any YouTube video for absolutely free. And the reason you want to do this is because if you want to build a non-monetized channel, you don't have to post your own videos, you don't have to edit your own videos. So if you want to save a little bit of time, you can just download other people's videos. You can search for Creative Commons videos. Let me show you how to do that. So for example, you want to find some video related to Ronaldo and you want to just filter and just find Creative Commons, and this is a license. They're literally giving you a license to use their videos on your channel, and you can just repost those videos, use the right tags, title, description, all that stuff, and then just build your channels based on other people's videos. But keep in mind, you won't be able to monetize these channels when you build them like this, because there are no in real life footages but made by you. So you will have to sell them as non-monetized channels, but you can build them really quickly, and it's super simple because you don't have to edit your videos, you don't have to film them by yourself or anything like that. And now let's say And now let's say you want to download this video right here because it's Creative Commons and you want to repost it on your own channel. Well, what you want to do is just click on that, you want to open the video, and you want to just copy the URL of that video. So just copy that real quick and then go to Google and just search for YouTube in MP4. So YouTube in MP4, not YouTube in MP3, but YouTube in MP4. And basically you have hundreds of different websites where you can download your videos, but maybe not all of them will work for you, for your country, or for whatever reason it may not work. You can try different of them. So I can't just tell you like go to this website and then use it, but you will try different websites and then just try to download. Maybe this one will not work. Let me try it. So I will paste the URL here, click start, and I will prepare my conversion. Okay, I have to disable my I don't even have to do that. So maybe you will have to disable the ad blocker if you have ad blocker installed, and you will just click download, and it will just delete the pop-up, just exit the pop-up and just download your video. And as you can see, it will immediately download that to your computer. You will have it in your downloads folder, and then you can just repost it on your own channel and then optimize it well and all of that stuff. So basically that's how you can download videos from YouTube. But if this website doesn't work for you, then use some other website. As you can see, they work pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same progress. You will just paste the URL here, press enter, and then just wait until it converts, and you will just click on best download or download some of these, and it will automatically do that for you. Or if this doesn't work, as I said, you have hundreds of different, just try as many of them, and what works the best for you, use that website. So that's how you can download unlimited videos from YouTube for absolutely free.